Good morning, class.
Good morning, Teacher Pahit.
You may sit down.
Thank you, Teacher.
Are you ready to have our new lesson for today?
Yes, Teacher.
But before that, I will show you some pictures. Can you see it?
Yes, Teacher. Dear Nancy, Teacher.
So, Karal, what can you say about the pictures?
Dear Nancy, Teacher.
So, can you tell us what this picture all about?
I think, Teacher, it's they dancing Philippine folk.
So, thank you, Karal. Pia, have you experienced this?
Teacher, I haven't experienced, but I saw that when we were in the mall, teacher, they were performing that dance, teacher. They were holding a fan and with a bamboo stepping like that.
Yes, thank you, Pia. So now, our topic is relevant to these pictures. But before that, we will have first the activity. So I will divide you into 4 groups. So this will be the group 1, the group 2, the group 3, and the group 4. So I will give you 3 minutes to study or to discuss your topic or your task.
Teacher, done.
So are you done?
Yes, Teacher.
So let's have first the group 1.
Go, Charlie.
Can you read first the task?
Our task is to identify the Philippine folk dances by knowing their history and origin. Attach the names to the corresponding pictures. Share it to the class. You can share their costumes and props.
So that picture, you can paste the pictures here.
A teacher, this.
There's a thing there. I'm sorry.
It should be correspond to the
Sorry, teacher. Sorry. This dance is called itik-itik. The best description of itik-itik is that steps are mimic the way a duck walks as well as the way it splashes water on its back and attracts a maid. According to popular tradition, the dance was created by a lady named Kana who choreographed the Shirvash.
Miss Pia, you can paste the pictures only. Paste all the pictures. So group 2, be prepared. What's the problem, Pia?
Teacher, hindi man maigo.
Ay, ato natin to.
Okay, teacher. Thank you.
So now, group 2 can now proceed. Paste all the pictures to the board.
Can I just put this here?
Yes.
Pardon me also. So English share. No, I think we need one.
Pag nalatik ka sa kanina.
And those are the
Itik-itik, imilig, sayaw sa bangko, pandango sa ilaw, maglalating, kapag-malo-malo, panpakina, and religyosa.
So the itik-itik, can you read the definition, Miss Pia?
Itik-itik, the best description of the itik-itik is that steps mimic letter. Thank you!
So what is mimic?
Imitating.
Yes. Can you show me mimic the steps the way a duck walks? Coral, can you show us? Yes. That is the meaning of the steps of the way a duck walks. So the tinikling, Pia, Ragwa, ay Pia.
Tinik-tik, the tinik-tik is dinner by thank you.
Who have seen here a tinkling bird?
Teacher, yun sa TV, sa Amazing Stories.
Yes. So it imitates the movements of the tinkling bird.
Tinkling bird has long feet.
Yes.
And long legs. Rather, teacher, sorry, long
Yes.
legs.
Thank you, Pia. So the next is sayaw sa bangko. Can we the definition, Pia? The group one.
The sayaw sa bangko is performed on the top of the narrow bench. Thank you.
So in order to the dancers to dance in a narrow bench, what do they need?
Chair.
Yes.
What else? Long chair.
Long bench. What do they need?
Sorry.
They need balance.
Ah,
Because their
balance.
movements include acrobatics. So they need balance.
Okay.
So the next is pandango sa ilaw. So the last definition is Pia.
Pandango sa ilaw. Pandango sa ilaw is similar to Spanish. So pandango. But pandango is performed while balancing three objects.
Thank you, Pia. So there are 3 oil lamps. So where did it usually put?
The head and 2 hands.
So 1 in each hand and 1 on the head. So they also need balance. So next is maglalating. You can read Miss Redwa.
So the Maglalatik is a mock war dance that depicts a fight over coconut meat, a highly prized food. The dance is broken into 4 parts, 2 devoted to the battle and 2 devoted to the reconciling.
Thanks, Redwa. So what do men wear when they dance maglalating? Karal, what do men wear when they do the maglalating dance?
Coconut shell, teacher.
So, Ranoko, can you show us
No,
assuming that Ranoko is wearing a coconut shell. So, can you show us how do they slap the coconut shells when dancing the maglalating? Thank you, Miss Ranoko. Let's clap our hands for Ranoko. So, of course, when they slap the coconut shells, of course, there should be a rhythm with the music. So, yes. So the next is Kapa Malo-Malo. Can you read Kapa Malo-Malo?
So the Kapamalo-Malo is a Muslim influenced dance. The malo is a tubular garment The pantomime mimics the courtship between doves and is often also a courtship between the couples that perform it.
Yes, it is. Courtship. It mimics the dance of the doves. So the last is cariñosa.
The cariñosa is a dance made of flirting. Flirting. Dancers make a number of flirtatious movements as they hide behind hats or handkerchiefs and stick out of another.
So, is flirting good or bad?
Of course, it's very bad, teacher.
Emma is flirting.
Why? Why is it awful?
It is not good
It
for
is
us.
Teaching may sa causes of broken families.
No.
When I was in America, I used to see people flirting.
Really?
Yeah, it's normal for us. It's like tradition. And like we're kissing, it's okay.
Mr. Noko.
Teacher, but it's different here in our culture.
Yeah,
We are not regulated. We are conservative.
Yes, Mr. Noko.
I'm sorry because I'm still studying the culture of the Filipino. So your
Yeah.
mother's down. Yeah.
Thank you. We can say that flirting is bad. But in the cariñosa, they shows courtship.
No, dancing. It's a mix of
Yeah,
flirting.
through dancing, it's not bad that they flirt, showing their flirtatious movements. That's it. That are the
Philippine traditional folk dances of the Philippines.
So let's give hand for the group 1 and group 2. So next is the group 3. Rodolfo, can you stand up? What is your task? Rodolfo, why are you laughing?
You're also laughing. Oh, I'm not laughing. I'm serious.
Alright, you're laughing. Why?
I'm just laughing, teacher.
Okay, Rodolfo.
Execute the basic arms positions in different Philippine folk dances.
Can you execute all of the positions?
I don't need explanation.
Let's watch Rodolfo how she executes the arms position. Laughing, Rodolfo.
Renapa!
Hurry! Hurry!
We're hungry! First position, teacher. Raise arms to a circle in front of the chest. No.
Second position.
It's like that. Second position, sideward, raise below shoulder level with a great curve.
Third position.
Now, raise one arm overhead, the other arm remains in second position.
Next, proceed to the
The fourth one is raise one arm in front of the chest in half circle while one arm remains overhead. Then the fifth position, raise both arms overhead in the raise.
Thank you, Mr.
Teacher.
Loco. So this is, can you stand up? So this is how the arms position executed. The first position, second position, third position, the fourth position, and the fifth position. So now let's proceed to the group 4.
Task. Execute the basic fifth positions in the different Philippine folk dances. The first position teacher is like this teacher.
Yes.
Close, feet stand up and toes apart. Second position teacher moves feet sideward. Next, now put your right feet into the inside foot, then and next teacher, put like this teacher and feet this teacher.
Yes, thank you, Tara. So all stand up again. Let's execute the feet position. So the first position is like this. Second position. Third position. Fourth position. And the fifth position. So let's combine all the and the feet position. So, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
So, the first position of arms and feet. Second position. Third position. Fourth position. Fifth position. Yes. Very good. So, you can now sit down. So, have you learned from
Yes,
our
teacher.
lesson for today?
Yes,
teacher.
So, let us test what you have learned. So, copy this in your notebook and answer all of this.
Done,
teacher.
Yes. Now, pass all your papers. Now, I will give you an assignment. But before that, I will give you an activity. So, I will divide you into 5 groups. So, each group is tasked to perform a dance presentation. So, the group 1 is tasked to perform the Magalatit. The group 2 is tasked to perform Tinikling. The group 3 is tasked to perform Itik-Itik. Group 4 is Karinyosa. And the group 5 is Sayaw sa Bangko. Did you understand?
Yes,